In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add square meter in Google Sheets. First, let's cover the fastest way using keyboard shortcuts. Start by selecting the cell where you want the text to appear. On Windows, type the letter M, then hold down the Alt key, and using the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard, 0178. When you release Alt, you'll see the squared symbol appear, giving you square meter. A quick tip. This only works with a dedicated numeric keypad, and num lock needs to be on. If you are on a laptop without a keypad, you may need to enable a function layer keypad or use an external one. On a Mac, it's even simpler. Type the letter M, then press Option plus Shift plus 2. And you'll get square meter instantly. This shortcut is great for labels, headers, or anywhere you just need the symbol quickly. Now, if you want the best method for actual calculations, use custom number formatting. This keeps your cell content truly numeric, so formulas like sum, average, and charts still work. Start by selecting the cells that contain your numbers. Then go to the top menu and choose Format. Then Number, then Custom Number Format. In the box that appears, type a hash symbol, then a space. And then, inside double quotes, add M followed by the squared symbol. You can insert that squared symbol the same way you just learned on Windows, by holding Alt and type 0178 on the numeric keypad, or on Mac with Option plus Shift plus 2. So the format reads as hash space square meter. Click Apply. From now on, when you type a plain number like 50 in those formatted cells, it will display as 50 square meter, while still behaving like the number 50 behind the scenes. That means you can sum ranges, sort values, and create charts without any extra steps. If you ever need to change or remove the formatting, go back to Format, Number, and switch to a different style or choose Automatic. You can also apply the same custom format to an entire column before entering data to keep everything consistent. That's it. Thanks for watching.